a lot to say there, but what I would say the first thing that we consider with management is, are their interests aligned with ours? So we prefer to invest with management teams who own a substantial portion of their net worth in stock that they paid for with cash. We really want them to be our partners, and if they're corporate executives who have little of their net worth tied to the stock but are more incented to grow the business, to grow their salary, their interests aren't aligned with ours. So first and foremost, we like business partners, so that's pretty straightforward. How much stock do you have? What's your interests? And so are we really partners? Second is to just look at their record over time. Have they been successful either at that company or in the past? So that's part of the analysis. And third is it's really, let's talk about your business. Let's talk about what you're going to do. Does it really make sense? And that's how we do it. What I will say, when we are able to reinvest with management teams who have been successful managements for us in the past, that really is important, because it takes the whole issue off the table. A couple of companies, one in the portfolio today, is a great illustration of that. Six Flags. We in fact invested in the business really after we saw that he went there, Jim Reed Anderson. It was important because our previous experience, the company that we bought, Dade Bearing, we made almost 10 times our money. It was a very successful investment relative to what we first bought it at and where the old company ultimately went. He left, sold the company to Siemens, left, and came back. He didn't need another job at all. The only reason he went to that company is because he saw an opportunity to make a lot of money, and he put a lot of cash in. So those kinds of opportunities you don't see that very much, but that would be a good example of that one's easy for us because we know why he's there. We know he generally can do what he has set out to do, and he only has one motivation. So that is an example. There are many times, though, where you go in, it looks good, but the jury's out. So for us, part of it's does it make sense? Are our interests aligned? And sometimes we're going to be wrong.